Does your strategy really work? Does the one candlestick strategy work? Can I get funded with the one candlestick strategy? Why don't you show us trading a pop farm with your one candlestick strategy to see if it really works? Now, these are some of the comments that you guys have been leaving in the comment section down below. And to be fair, you guys have been asking this for a long time, and I decided to do a challenge with leverage prop farm. And I updated you guys about 3 weeks ago that I actually got my first challenge and I breached it because I did not follow some rules. I breached the first challenge account and I got a second one. Now, the reason why I breached the first account was not because the strategy was not good. It's just because I did forget to set a stop loss on one of the trades and it actually reversed and hit the daily maximum loss. That's why I breached that account. But I was already up 2.something%, almost 3%. So in this video, I'll show you guys how the new account is doing, how I was able to pass phase 1. I updated you guys on my Telegram. I passed phase 1 and I have also passed phase 2. So I am now funded. I'll show you on the dashboard in a moment. But before we go any further, if you like such content, don't skip the video, guys. This video is going to be packed with a lot of value that is going to benefit you. Also, give a like on the video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and guys, let's go onto the screen and let's get started. The Turbo Trade Challenge is the easiest for you to get started with because for this one, you just pay $8.88 to get started with any account size, and then when you pass, you can pay the full amount later. Now, that is if you pass and follow these conditions right here. These are the Turbo Trade program rules. You have a profit target of 6%, you have a daily loss limit of 3%, 6% maximum drawdown, and it is a one-step evaluation. You don't have to go through 2 steps, and the profit split is 80%, right? This one also has no time limit. Now, when you come down here to the account sizes, you can get up to 200K. It was increased of recent. It used to be only up to 150K in funding, but now you can get up to 200K in funding. It is also $8.88 for you to get started. Now, you can get an extra discount if you use the code that you see on the screen right now, or if you use the link that is in the description of this video and apply this discount code that you see on the screen right now. So you can get any account size from $10,000 all the way to $200,000 for $8.88. You only pay the full amount after you pass. For example, when you look at the 200K, you only pay $1,089.12 after you have passed and you are funded. For 150K, you pay $816.12 after you have passed. For 100K, you pay $540 after you have passed, and so on and so forth. You can just use the link in the description to go and check out leveraged and also see these account types and their sizes in detail, right? Let's also look at the second type of account, which is the leveraged sprint account. This one, you only have a 2% profit target for you to get funded. You can get started with as little as $49 US. You get on your marks to get a leveraged sprint account. You hit the profit target of 2% and then you get a funded account. So let's look at the rules right here. So for the sprint rules, we have up to $100,000 in funding. It's also a single phase only. The daily drawdown is 1%. It is also instant withdrawal for the first withdrawal, then it will be bi-weekly on the second and consequent withdrawals, right? So you can start with as little as $49 and the maximum daily drawdown is 1%. So here we can see that for this account, you only need to make sure that you don't lose 1% in one day, and your profit target is just 2%. So if you can get 2%, you can be able to get funded, and if you make profit, you can get your withdrawal instantly. Now for this one, this is the cost per account. This is 100,000 for 439, and 50,000 is 239, 25K is 119, and for a $10,000 account, it's $49, right? Let's look at the classic challenges. Those are the ones that I actually got involved with. I am trading a classic challenge. Now for the classic challenge, we have three types, right? So we have a junior portfolio manager. For a junior portfolio manager, you start from 5K, and then for a senior portfolio manager, which I'm trading here, you get a 10K account to 100K, and then for executive, you get 250K to a million plus. So you can choose according to what account size you want to start with. So for me, I did start with a 50K account, but here you can see that 100K is $549, which is not a bad amount for you to spend. And if you apply the coupon code, which will give you 20% off, this coupon code you see on the screen, and also if you use the link in the description, you'll be able to get extra discount on your purchase. For a 50K, you get it at only $349, and if you apply the discount code, you will be able to get much reduced price here, right? So the trading objectives for this is the same across all for the senior portfolio manager for all of the account sizes in that range, right? So you have 5% for target 1 or phase 1, and then the daily drawdown is 5%, and then max drawdown is 10%. For phase 2, you are required to make 8%, and then the rest remain the same. This is reversed from what we know from traditional prop firms. Some prop firms start with 8%, then 5% in phase 2, but this one is reversed. Now, I did pass phase 1 and also passed phase 2 in a space of about 3 weeks, right? I did not want to overtrade or just try to over risk to pass with only one trade. No, I used proper risk management, as I will show you guys in a moment, right? So those are the account types that you can get with leveraged. This prop firm here gives fair play and gives fair rules to you, a trader, to be able to succeed on your funding journey. I want you guys to get involved with this. Some of you guys are just looking on while other people are taking action. Remember, when you procrastinate during your time when you want to actually break free from maybe some issues, your financial problems and all that, or you're lacking trading capital and you want to break free from that, and you continue procrastinating, you're looking at this, you're saying, is this really true? Is this really true? Stop procrastinating, take action, and get started with your trading journey. You can start even with a 5K account. It doesn't matter. You can start with a 5K account, which is just $48, and trade from there. If you get a payout, then you can maybe use your payouts to buy a bigger challenge. But don't just fold your hands and look on while other people are progressing. All right? So enough with this. Use the link in the description. Use the discount code to get yourself an account today and get funded, right? So let's look at my dashboard. So this is my dashboard right here. On my dashboard, you can see that the first account that I got down here, it got breached because of the drawdown that was reached. I reached the daily drawdown, right? The market reversed on me, as I've already explained to you. Then I got the second account. You can see here, phase 1, it shows I got upgraded because I passed it. You can even see here on phase 1, you can see the balance here was 52,625. I passed that one. It was 5% for phase 1, and then they upgraded me to phase 2, and I made $4,000 here, making it $54,000, as you can see here, on the 15th of this month. So I started trading on the 1st for phase 1. I passed that challenge within around 2 to 4 days. That is when I started trading that account, and I passed it. And then on the 15th, it was actually on around 11th when they gave me phase 2, and then it took me around 3 to 4 days to pass this one also, right? I'll show you all that when we look at the metrics. So right now, let me just take you to this phase 1 matrix right here and show you how I was able to pass that, so that we can be on the same page. So this was phase 1, as you can see here. So I had 3 minimum trading days. You can see all the ticks, meaning I passed all of them. As you can see, these are the trades. But what I want to show you is the statistics here, so that you can see the win rate. Some of you asked about the win rate. Here the win rate was 68.89%. I told you the one candlestick strategy has a win rate between 50% and 80%. It varies depending on market conditions, but it is usually around there, and that win rate is very high in the trading industry. It is enough for you to actually be profitable and win many of your trades. Some of the traders who are using the one candlestick strategy have already got a payout from leverage. Some of them are even faster than me. They got a payout even before me using just the one candlestick strategy. Here we can see when we go to trading calendar, and then I go backwards to that trading period, you'll be able to see when I actually traded this and I was able to pass. You can see here. So this is phase 1. The first day I took a loss of $12. The second day I made $165. Then I lost $400 here, as you can see. The very next day I made $1,264 and then the next day also I made $1,100 and then I made $325 and then I made $185, and this was enough to make me pass. So I had 2 losing days, and the rest of the days, which are the 5 days, I was winning. So that is how I passed phase 1. So let's look at phase 2 right here so that you can see also the metrics for phase 2. So you can see here the curve, how I was able to reach the yellow line right there and pass the challenge. So I had 8 trading days right here for this one, but the minimum was just 3, but I got 8 trading days and I was able to pass very well right here. So you can see this trading period had very little losses. When you look at the win rate here, it went to 84% in phase 2. I was giving all these setups with the VIP members also in the VIP signals channel on Telegram. I was sharing some of these setups with them, right? So when you go to trading calendar with this one and you go back, you will see that this one here had slightly more days. Here I took $500 first trade, second trade $500, next day I took 318, but this was a combination of many currency pairs. As you can see, I took some losses, which is $400 and $700, but you can see the majority of all these trades were winners, right? My winners were way bigger than the losses. So now I have been funded and I have not yet started trading the funded account. So now you can see I have this funded senior portfolio manager account. If I go to metrics, you will see that I have not yet started trading on this account. I'll start trading on it hopefully the next coming week. And when you go to achievements here, you can also see that I have my certificate here, which is given to me as a funded trader. Guys, there is no other way you can scale your capital unless if you are coming from a very rich family and you already have rich parents or rich relatives who can give you this kind of money. But if you are struggling with little money, $100, $50, $30, $40, you will do yourself a great justice by getting involved with these prop firms and actually get yourself funded if you have the necessary skill to pass a challenge. Get involved with Leveraged and get yourself funded today. Guys, I'm giving you this discount code that you're seeing on the screen right here. Go use it using the link in the description. Get started on your journey to getting funded with Leveraged, and you will see when you just get one payout like this, it can change your life. One payout can change your life. Now if you get an account like this one here of $50,000, if I make like $1,500 here, that is enough to take care of all my bills for a 4 month, guys. So take advantage of these prop firms, especially Leveraged, and get started on your trading journey today, guys. I don't want to make the video way too long, but before I go, you can see here on the screen I have also the MT5 account that I was trading, the same account on phase 2 which I was trading. I did some screen recording here for you to see that. You can see that I did take some losses also, as I've shown you already on the dashboard, but overall I was having way more profits than the losses, and you can see that the total was 54 and I was able to pass phase 2 and got funded. So I'll give you guys an update during the trading on the funded stage so that you can see how we trade until we get a payout. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and also comment down below with your questions. Let's all go and get funded with Leverage. Take action today, guys. Don't keep on sleeping on these opportunities. Take action and get started today. Thank you for watching. Till next time, peace and out.